So, hi guys. So today I want to take you through how you can use AI to design your so desired living space or the house that you've been yearning to build. So the title of today's video is how you can use ChatGPT-4 or even 3.5 for those of you who don't have the paid version to design your 1, 2, 3 or 4 bedroomed bungalow house. So guys, designing your dream home can seem like a daunting task, but with the help of ChatGPT, you can turn this complex project into an enjoyable and creative journey. Here's a step-by-step guide on how you can use ChatGPT-4 to design. In this case, I'm gonna go for a 4-bedroomed bungalow house tailored just for you. So the first step, you need to have a concept, a vision or an idea on what your 4-bedroomed house needs to look like. For example, how many master bedroom do you want? How many garages do you need? Do you need a swimming pool? Or you need water tank outside the floor plan layout? Such kind of idea, etc., etc. So before diving into the design process, you need a clear vision of your dream house. Do you envision a modern and minimalist bungalow or something more traditional? What about the layout of the rooms, the size of the kitchen, or the integration of outdoor spaces? Once you have a rough idea, open ChatGPT-4 and describe your vision in detail. You can say something like, I am planning to design a 4-bedroom bungalow house with a large open plan living area, a spacious kitchen, and an outdoor entertainment area. Then step 2, layout and floor plan suggestions. With your vision in mind, ask ChatGPT-4 for a layout suggestions and floor plan ideas. Be specific about your needs. For example, can you suggest a floor plan for a 4-bedroom bungalow that maximizes natural light and has an open living area? ChatGPT-4 can provide you with various layout ideas, including the positioning of rooms, the flow from one space to another, and how to maximize natural light and ventilation. Step 3, design details. Once you have a basic layout, dive deeper into the design details. Use ChatGPT-4 to explore design options for each room. Ask for suggestions on interior design themes, color schemes, and furniture placement. For instance, what interior design themes work well with open plan bungalows? Or can you suggest a color scheme for a cozy yet modern living room? Step number 4, material and technology integration. Now, focus on the materials and technologies that can enhance your home. ChatGPT-4 can inform you about sustainable building materials, smart home technologies, and energy-efficient solutions. Try asking, what are some of the eco-friendly materials I can use for my bungalow's construction? Or how can I integrate smart home technology in a 4-bedroomed house? Step number 5, outdoor spaces and landscaping. Your bungalow's outdoor spaces are just as important as the interior. Discuss with ChatGPT-4 how you can design your garden, patio, or deck. Inquire about landscaping ideas, outdoor furniture, and garden features that complement your bungalow's design. For example, what landscaping design would complement a modern bungalow? Or can you suggest ideas for an outdoor entertainment area? Then step 6, finalizing your design. With all the information and suggestions from ChatGPT-4, you can now finalize your design. If you are using design software, incorporate the ideas you've gathered into your project. If you are working with an architect or designer, share the insights and suggestions you've received from ChatGPT-4 to refine your plans. Step number 7, review and adjusting. Design is an iterative process. Review your design with critical eye or share it with friends, family, or professionals for feedback. You can take this feedback to ChatGPT-4 asking for adjustments or alternatives to any aspect of your design. For instance, how can I make the living room more spacious? Or, I need a more kid-friendly layout for the bedrooms. What do you suggest? In conclusion, designing your 4-bedroomed bungalow house with ChatGPT-4 by your side allows you to explore limitless possibilities and make informed decisions throughout the design process. By following these steps, you not only make the design process more manageable, but also ensures that the end result closely matches your dream home. Remember, creativity is key, and within ChatGPT-4, you have a powerful tool to unlock your design potentials. So thank you, and that's how you can use ChatGPT-4 to design your so desired house plan.
Subscribe to channel. Subscribe to channel.
Before you leave, our team will be very happy if you can give this video a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can be notified every time we upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.